So welcome for today's class of English grammar. Okay, class 9th, notice writing it is. Take down the question. You are Lorna Mendes, head girl of Vidyamandir High School, Ponda. Write a notice about a workshop on puppet making to be organized in October. Give the necessary details about 80 words. Okay, next you can take down the main topic. Vidyamandir High School, Ponda, name of the school. You all have to write down first. Okay, see, Vidyamandir High School, name of the school. Ponda, you all have to write first, and then leave one line, write down notice, and then the topic, what you all are inviting for. Okay, so inviting for the workshop on puppet making to be organized on October. In October, so date and all you all have to fix it. So workshop on puppet making. A puppet making workshop will be held in our school on 3rd October 2025. Date you all can organize any day, but in October month because it is mentioned. Okay, it will be held in the school hall from 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Material will be provided, but an entry fee of rupees 50 will have to be paid. Okay, those who are interested should give their names to their class teacher by 20th September 2025. Then you all have to leave one line, write down Lorna Mendes, head girl. Okay, that part is here, Lorna Mendes, head girl. This part you all have to write down. And then in the side you all can write down head of the school, and when you have written the letter 10 September 2025. Okay, when you are writing the not a letter but a notice writing, when you are writing giving okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and check the friends, press the bell icon for more updates.